Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can change the image of the preview one. So it's very easy. So this is the image that is there on the blog. Click on SEO settings. Here you can change the image that is generated. If it is giving you something irrelevant, you can maybe give it, some keyword and then keep on regenerating. Or you can health tips. Yeah. So I was generating an article on health tips, so I put that at, okay, actually, yeah. Or you can upload your own image by going to this. This is how you can change the preview image. So now I have changed it to this. Click on save. Now when I go to preview and say go to blogs, see this is the new image that is coming.